Wait, I mean like a shoulder bag, or you can also make this one like you can also wear this one. Everyone, we are going to open the Maymei 400 Rebel doll series. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The baby at the back side. So let me help you take this one. Is that right, honey? For the number 5. About this item, there contains for those 6 options plus 1 secret. Everyone hunting for the secret. Here we go. Let's open this one. Let's see what is inside for this one. And also, let me check this one. We also have the Maymei Forgotten Fanfare. So we can check the size. It will be smaller compared to the Maymei Forgotten Fanfare. What is inside for this series? Honey, are you ready for unboxing, my sweetie? Here we go. Let's see what is inside for this series. I know that you are looking for the secret. So finger crossed, hope you will get your secret. So here we go. Okay, time for reveal the answer. I'm a little bit nervous actually. For me, I love all of them. So let's see what is inside. Already open this one. So let me see what is inside. I'm not going to check it. Oh, what's that? We have I haven't seen the card, but there also has a keychain. There has the back charm also right here. And I haven't checked the card. I want the purple, the gray, and blue, all the secret. So let me open to see what is inside for this one. So open this one. We have what's this one? Wait, yeah, it's a pink one. Pink one also looks so good. Okay, I gotta love this one. How cute for this lovely color. It's called about the fall in love of this one. So good. This one's also very fluffy, and there has a keychain. Yeah, the keychain's right here. How good it is. I love this special item. Everyone, look at this lovely one. So it is not simple pure pink color. It is pink with about the black color. They just mix these 2 colors together. And this one's also very fluffy and so soft, honey. Oh my god, how cute it is. And there has a very cool, the necklace. There has a heart right here. How cute it is. And there has a very beautiful zipper. There has a very lovely heart. So we can just take out this one. You can put some little things inside the pocket. How cool it is. And also about the heart, wait, there even have some beautiful heart pattern inside the eyebrow. How special it is. I love this special item. It is our amazing fall in love Rebel doll Maymei item. There's 2 cute buttons. How fluffy it is. Oh wait, I love this one. I love this colorful part of the parts. You can just change the gestures because this one's super fluffy. Okay, so you can make this one like you can make it like a shoulder bag or make it like a crossbody bag. Also looks so good. Let me see what is inside for this one. Wait, let me check. We got what's that? We have oh, it's a red color, my sweetie. It is a big red baby, honey. Look at here. Congratulations for this one. And we have the sample for this one, my sweetie. Look at here. Well, this also looks so good. It is super fluffy and also very soft. There has a chain. So you can make this one like this item also looks so special. You will find here, there also has the zipper. So you can just try to take the zipper to put some little things. You can put the earphone case, or you can put the little lipstick right here. You can put something right here. How lovely it is. There has a very beautiful the kitty footprint and very nice the necklace. The eyes, wait, there have some flame pattern on the eyes, and this is so cute. It's like the red and black color, they just mix them together, and the beautiful beer face. How cute it is. Yeah, so everyone, if you want to get this item, go to get the Maymei Rebel doll series.